But I will tell you a story. There once was a man, and he had 2 sons. And to the first son, one day he said, "Go and work in the vineyard." And the son said no. But afterwards he thought better of it, and he went. Now the man said exactly the same thing to his second son, who said, "Certainly." But he didn't go. Now, which of the 2 boys did his father's will?
First. Second.
Yes, the first. And what is the meaning of this story? That there are those who think they are righteous because they say yes to God, but they do not do His will. John the Baptist came to you in righteousness, but you didn't believe him, even when you saw that there were sinners who believed and repented. They will get into the kingdom of heaven before you do.
This is Brother Esquire saying thank you for tuning in to this edition of Your Moment for Biblical Truth. May the Lord be with you and walk with you. Good night.